they talk and the pikin, based on said with that is the way that pikin they see because brother, I say this man, my husband, the man will put money for my head though. He owe me John Grand. He baby mama when don't born for another man for Jamie. The woman carry key for hand, just don't bleed my nose. My nose start to dey throw away blood. This man carry blow, he blow my eye. Now there, now that blood when my pikin see, that make my pikin dey come here guys today. Anybody no come here, I no even care about my sister. I no care about anybody. If they my sister, they no want they come me today. Allah, me everybody just stay yo. Because I no see anybody when be say they agree help me. Why you calling me? Wala wo I say me ayo. No matter why you calling. No, Mona not call me. I beg. Mona not call me, oh brother. I said the blood when this 2 years and 8 months see. Blood when this 2 years and 8. Oh no, sister, no. I go do everything for this matter. For this matter, to take care of his children. Mona no vex. I go do everything. Yes, I know say you know what me I do this live video and I go do it. The way you they come in, so I go the end up. Where we?
Daniela.
Me anybody not call me.
Now the same phone where you take the live video, they call you.
Yes, now only one phone I get.
Okay.
Now the day we be say this. Oh.
Say block the person.
Daniela, that person when they call you, give me number. You move
Now my sister went there Russia, but I'm not giving you number.
And the sister not the support her. Bring the number.
Send number for us, more put her for here. Maybe people they call her.
Exactly.
Give me, man, give a person. Give me.
Send number, come fast.
Epa, may block the person. Later, if you unblock her.
Or the person to cut word for a month. Wait, send me number, come.
As they call her, so no of them they support her more. Overa Vision and supported. They know they support
same sisters. Like
the same blood.
When it be say we they fight, now to the extent myself I they collect straight bullets. The reason why I be no one on this live video before, but the fact is that I just have to stand by her. I mean, she gotta grow. Many things there when we say she no feel even talk because who not there her shoes not go feel understand. People they see some people just they laugh. They not feel understand what she don't pass through. Daniela, mute your side. They don't feel understand what she don't pass through. They don't do DNA test. This man has done a lot. I be just want me she just talk. Then I'll come talk my own.
They don't do DNA test. Now the man children know.
They say you
the man.
May you come
she don't explain.
Come here, they let me talk everything I want to talk.
Oh my God.
Only what I need. May this man take care of the kid. That's what I need from this idiot.
The number.
Send me the number there. May pass for call them by itself. May they leave you.
Okay, no problem. May I send you the number. If I send request, may they pick me.
This one
She wants send me number. She wants send me the number. May she come up back.
The number.
Send that for me. I want send that for you now.
Send that for me. May I call the person? May I ask him the reason why she did disturb her when she did on life? If not, now we they get her since. If I don't understand.
Epa, you know, people don't feel understand. She has been through a lot.
They don't want to get up. Like that girl does this. How many?
Even sometimes if she they talk self and I let me they feel they understand that me and this is my girlfriend. So she know they talk normal again at all.
This one a Russian number.
My sister.
My sister.
Hello.
Hello.
Why you dey disturb your sister when she dey on my live stream?
Why I no go disturb her? Wetin they do for the live video? Wetin they do for them?
What they do for Ramadan? What you they do for her? You will be sister. What you don't do? What you don't do for Ramadan? You will be sister. What you don't do for Ramadan? What you don't do? What have you done for her? What have you done?
Namo,
Which
yeah,
solution you
sister, I
don't
no
bring?
get the talk to that. Wait,
Jessica, wait, make she talk.
Believe your eye. Now God go punish you. Now God go punish all of that. Now God go punish all of that for them.
This one, so who be?
Now you senior Daniela, now Daniela's sister.
Now she dey talk like this after the thing wey sister dey pass through. How much she don pay her sister since then?
Nothing, niente, zero.
Now get a picture.
I'll go find. I suppose get. I mean, I go check her for Facebook.
When I bring this girl picture, when I your call now. Me una talk
I get bad character.
I no be only she, even the senior one with the Nigeria, the one with between all of them.
That's what you get. That's what
Wetin me understand there, like they not care about their
They
sister.
don't just care at all.
They don't
Exactly.
care.
They don't care about
This
her.
wetin this girl dey pass through, if this girl, like if this girl go fit settle that explain,
wait first.
oh God.
You see what this guy do now? Maybe we can swear for him.
If they come and find the picture, come.
Go bring the picture.
This girl will tell the open live video for the next 1 week. Ugbe Opa na Agbe, Edore, no talk again. You are an evil sister. You see, say your sister, where don't they even they complete for a mat again? I don't know the way some of them they behave these days. Blood not be blood again. Water can even thick past blood. Water can even thick past blood. When I send me that get picture come. May I show us small to me for no say it not good they do tafia for this kind of thing. Power tap and share this live stream, guys. Send me a picture. When I go look for a picture. Oh, now she in Russia you did. Russia now you do. Fast, maybe we may call swear for them. Yeah, don't want bug bear. This
supposed to calm down, talk to Ipa now. Tell Ipa, say Ipa, I beg. You should be God go punish her, say no be yours. God forbid.
That's what your sister passed through. You go pass her times 10. You never marry. You go marry the man where go worse pass this your sister husband. When you're there, you not go even see Mate talk. You'll be like person where they talk before we not call the talk again. At least your sister see they talk, but when hear me New York talk where you see all these evil sister. They don't confide the friends, not but people wait there, so they be just friends to this girl. They send her 50 euro, 20 euro, 10 euro. The blood sister. They want the form so I love
Say you don't block me. I not see him, but I don't write somebody may send her for me. You know me, to the extent that me and Felicity and this my friend, so we they contribute money, we go send, give my sister, make she take chop.
Someone has sent me a picture. When I'm not talking again. Now wait. That girl picture, when I sent that for, the says I'm not seeing. A fool.
Tell me you check your WhatsApp.
Okay. It says I'm not seeing. That girl will come from Russia. In my bola we be wa gbon undan. Undan no babe. I never see anything from my WhatsApp. Oh. I never see anything from my WhatsApp. You see evil sister.
General saga update. You say me you check your WhatsApp.
And a number. My fair put number for your face. When I swear for her. Shebi you they talk to your sister Abi and want post your number for the whole world. What be undan or 10 down? What did she do for there? No, no one make she die now. So that tomorrow you call the right arrow happy for your sister head. God punish you. Now this one, her sister go die finish. Now they shop your love first pass for the burial. Nobody cry. You go, evil sister. This is the number of the useless sister we call now. They sort her friend say, "And God will punish her." Not be all those people there. One of y'all they disturb her until she off her phone. One of they swear for her. But why am I bugbe? One I save the number. That's her number. +79 18049881. One of they swear that's it. For her life, she not know thing social media.
The boy when you do that kind of thing, you need to see pussy picture.
No, the boy who they come, we go hear from the boy first. You know, say I know the rush from that thing.
If you see that man, Epa, if that man come here and talk, if that man come here and talk, if his sister can't still come, Epa, you don't understand.
More than they swear for her, more than they give me evidence. More than they screenshot the swear for me, more than they send that for me. May I take confirm as well, more than bombast her phone. More than bombast her phone. I wish I get the picture, God. If I not see my married again for this life, not be joke.
That profile now, whether he did there.
What's that profile? Not today yet because I don't save her number. Not today yet. I want to teach that sister small saga. Make she for no say for life. The way your sister they talk, you are supposed to defend your sister. You are supposed to stand by your sister. Imagine, and this one now, the man they use. You say, when I go call your sister, now yeah, woman. They will not really call your sister will not disgrace you. God forbid. May I not have an evil sister in Jesus' name. May we not have evil blood brothers and blood sisters. People that will nail us, like people that cannot stand by us. Not as swept, like this number I go except say she should go change her number. Or she go off her phone. One of all this sweat for her. Why am I but that's one of all this send her voice notes. Say that when your sister pass through, she go pass through. Or why am I but Mona the screen record down, Mona the post down. Mona go post down for blogger. Tomorrow, try again. Why bell? Abola will be done. See evil sister. See evil sister for Europe. Now they see the number. That one and number. Or why am I but the number is not connecting. Make she off the phone. Make she off that phone. She not even supposed to WhatsApp. Now if they pay me say I not get a picture.
Don't worry, you'll still see the picture. Painkiller will bring her. No worry.
Wait. Hello.
Don't worry. The picture be that one.
This dry booger fish.
She don't block me, I not see him.
Now God will punish this girl.
They don't give a pan, no worry.
No worry, my hand don't me the picture. Mona see human being. God. Mona see
Epa normally Epa no vessel say I want talk. Normally they say blood is thicker than water. For my own side, water is thicker than blood. I swear.
You don't need to tell us again. Don't worry, rest.
Yeah, nobody they support me. Everybody they support that man. And they always they ask my sister, say, what of this man kill me? On a girl, they happy. They say maybe me not they have this man money when they take care of these children. I tell them, say, sister, if I not has this man money, how the children go take they okay? How the children go take they feed? They say me go work. They say after 3 children, I want to work with 3 children.
Now God will punish you for that Russia where you did. Before tomorrow, they will tell me the situation you did for Russia. You know, say it not small. I get from the whole world. You don't know me. People for Russia don't they react me say you be a year person. They don't react me now. They say that's what you do for Russia. I say you when they carry a winner till they sleep till they wake up. You see how I post a picture reach 2 minutes. They say this one a pound and winner she do for Russia. Imagine Russia like winner they do they not going to punish you. Thank you so much. Yes, we are going to fight for this woman, but I'm going to hear from the man first.
Yes, bros, I give you 100% here for the man. I give you 100%. I'm not lying. I'm not the lie, bro. Here for the man.
What you have said so far.
Tell her, you never tell by everything. Tell her the time we carry you go do DNA.
Okay,
the time when you take that time when I can't take carry you for Alexandra, when you take the
come up so that you see
I say, bros never ask me question. I never ask me some things. And brother, he can't reach like that when he say this man tell me say not being get 2 children when I born for her. He carry me go do DNA test for Bergamo. When DNA test come out, he show na positive. Now get the 2 children when I born for her.
Your body don't the hot. You don't see your patient. Don't they call me back? Me go block you. I don't want to talk to you again.
Brother,
what?
Brother, beg. You see, person. Hey. I beg, lawo brother. What him a picture or temenanya? A picture man.
Wow.
See, you see this my sister. You see this my sister with the Russia. She they support me, no. Now the one with the Genova, one more than saga. The
No.
one with the Genova.
This
Brother.
girl sold my little sister. Madam, wait.
Hey.
Wait. If not be evil sister. Una sure so now they disturb this girl. For she to see they call this her sister, meaning una no they disturb her with call. Me no they disturb her. Make she not see it. Ogo you are for you to come here and insult my fans, saying what they do for them. You are an evil sister to your sister. I swear to God. Happiness.
Bessie, come up, move. May you put yourself for big stream word.
You never even see anything. Happiness on mute. Happiness on mute. After all, now you confess. But more they call her. What it here? Now say the number. Now say the same number. That's enough. It come up for me. Why do you do? Make this thing for fool. Wait, may I bring person up?
Brother.
Daniela, you block the number.
So you not feel block number, Daniela. You don't feel block.
Brother, I feel. Brother, honor, talk.
Not be this one they
Brother, honor.
One day Genova.
The only no Genova. Genova no see me when I don't want to see me. This one they send me money. Oh, this man they take care of me. This one so Sophia went there.
This one they take care of you.
You
Why
see that one with the Genova? That one never care about me. That one senior me.
Happiness, wait. This one they take care of you.
This one they send me money sometimes. You see that
insult?
one with the Genova. Now that one with the Genova. What for the bring come out? Only
Daniela, not the shout.
Now that one senior me. Oh, Alpha painkiller.
Now me, she even want just insult. Now I make can call a pal just now. You know that one.
You say me I put phone for last speaker. May you insult my fans. Now make I post your picture. Now God will punish you.
Brother Lawo, who beg an origin of any, wa post on a problem. Mona post that one with the Genova. Only one spot. Mona post that one. You see this one, so you see this woman.
Happiness, mute first. You know, tell me what to do on my platform. That one with the Genova, so I know post her. Because she don't insult anybody here. I can never post that one in Genova. This one, so now God will punish. Except say that tomorrow, maybe before tomorrow, my man go just calm down. You saw what this girl do? I go beat her put for the next 3 days.
Epa, may I still talk to you small? Epa, try pick her, call me, you see, if you want to apologize or slip of tongue.
No, I don't even need people like that for my life. That is get the way I take day. Your sister, they explain, you they disturb her. Do you know the depression this woman has passed through? We don't even understand. This woman go to explain one thing, go enter another one. When we tell her, say, Epa, beg, talk her like this, she can't talk her like this. The sister go to talk something. Like, even if you want a short person, for where 5,200 people day, your local person, they insult her. Rubbish. Nonsense. If you ever try this nonsense again, now God will punish you. Because now let your sister they feed, don't they feed anybody here. Now let your sister. Now if they feed, you don't feed anybody here. You have no right. I call you. You don't know say your sister doing my live stream. A panel verse. I don't know. You say even if they what she they do there, then you went as far to insult. I know they remove them. I feel even because of this thing now. So y'all make me vex part, y'all cancel this case. I know they beat this girl. That's what my life be. Because he's a more woman. Your sister is depressed and frustrated. You still get the mind. Then they talk say what she they do there. Make she die, make she not talk, come outside.
Yes.
Upon all the things your sister don't pass through for life.
Imagine.
Would they ask your sister, say, what did she they do for social media? Your own blood, same father, same mother. Not be saying that your husband side now. Take time. If you try this over Sabi, call you try with me so. Next time, you will see what I will do to you. Oh, how your body be? Now, should be your body the hot. You don't try to look for who want to beg me. Now, so your sister problem be. Now, so your sister stress stay day. Your sister blood the hot. And you they disturb her. No sense.
Hello, Epa. Una good evening. Epa, beg. If not only the number, just fair remove the number. You feel leave the picture. Epa, happiness is in distress. She's in distress. I beg.
Happiness is the distress. Is this how they add the joiner?
Yeah, I understand. But if not only the number, I beg. You feel leave the picture. I beg. But if not only the number, just remove her. I beg. They don't call and reach. I beg. Epa, lao.
You know what it means for this woman to explain.
Yeah, we understand her.
She go bust laugh.
Yeah, it's not easy.
She explain. Where she explain they go, she go not divert.
I swear.
Exactly.
Now, when I understand that, because they talk say, Epa, please, my man then me, Daniela, talk her finish. She can say, oh, you never. Before a woman can forget things, she deal with picky for us. You think say it isn't our beings. Me will not be woman. I feel that woman pain.
I swear, it wasn't easy. It's not easy.
To true. The sister they disturb her.
Epa, you feel leave the picture, Epa, beg. You leave the picture.
No, I don't want to leave the picture. I don't want to shake her small. You make a knife in a
Epa, beg. Leave the picture, Epa. Leave the picture. Remove the number. May happiness don't call Chris past this one.
Sir. These people, they watch people online. So they say no level until your picture don't do 5,200. And then you will be behind.
Yes.
I'm saying you show people that they disgwagwa you. Now there you go no say life not be life get to.
I swear, I really feel for happiness and the friends. I say una do well una take day with her. God will bless you.
You stand by your sister. You don't swear for them.
God will bless you now.
My wish is just a fine for inside. Don't I make
God
her
will
come
bless
up?
you. Who go do for una? No go hard. God will bless you now. Epa, beg. If not just the number, you feel leave
But
the
one
picture.
thing may you go still request from that sister because I believe say she dey here they watch this saga. May she come up call
Aluchina, you
apologize
there,
to Epa.
Jennifer. You there, Chris.
Shut up.
My your friend, my brother.
Shut up and leave me.
Come here today.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, leave me now, beg.
You know they disturb the sister for call. You know they say send me the number. Now I call her. Alpha. Why they disturb your sister?
Go do this gay.
You see all the people where they did there. What this sister they do for them? He say when they get her for there, he say if he catch them. I say this one don't know who they call. Now I know you. He say all of us.
Can't do. I be real account. I beg this my other account.
Epa, you dey hear me? Epa, you dey hear me? Epa, one minute.
They cry. They say oh gbẹ. You dey cry.
Oh God,
You stop be cry.
Anybody not cry for me. I never die. No, I see they alive. Me anybody not
Happiness
cry
is
for
okay.
me.
The Lord is with you. It's
May
okay.
I beg. May they not cry for me. When I need my sister, I never see anybody where be say they stand for me. I they always they call my sister. And they tell they say this man they
I know they cry. Now what I say to you?
I know what they hear.
Wait till they worry you, Daniela.
No, they cry.
When we have here.
Okay, no problem.
No
I the
cry,
only
no
they
cry.
call my sister Epa. He call out me where okay not baby o. He wo. Wala wo. Mona come for my rescue. I go say sister. I know what I thought they call me now. Okay. I go say sister. Wala wo. Ima onigi we marriage yo.
You don't know how to pull your phone for do not DND or sleeping mode. Anyone?
Nah, on Sunday of it, this man say on Sunday of it, this on
No
Sunday.
cry, no cry.
He said this week, so this on Sunday this week. This man say around 2, may they go carry bride price, brother. I don't already send money for bride price. This man, now 25 naira, now they pay for my hair. This man say he need 50,000 naira. I don't already say 78,000 naira. He did with my junior sister.
Found this woman again. Oh, the bride price, oh, you never even reach there. Your explanation.
Daniela, oya calm down. Oya calm. Epa agree. Daniela, oya calm
you know,
down.
I'm the best for her. Like, you can imagine the level of her stress right now.
yes.
Epa, if you see her for honorary ground sef, you no go even know her again, pa.
Before she dey come, una dey correct her 2 times, say me no dey call me bro. Me no dey even the verse put. Una since a person no dey okay, una dey correct her say call her pa. Even let me even call me by my name. I no go vex.
Anybody no dey call me, or anybody no call me. Who wan comot me for sister? Me all of una you block me, no problem. Why you blocking me? Yes, they say before, brother. They say before. They say
No
before.
worry. Even though say the phone they ring, you fit still they talk. No worry.
They say blood is thicker than water.
Mute am, like mute no.
Epa drink water, no verse. Epa go drink water.
They just want to distract her. Now make they call her.
I dey tell you.
Epa mute her. Get wetin I wan tell you. Epa. Mute her first.
They say blood is thicker than water. For my own, water is thicker than blood. I beg go. Water is thicker than blood for my own side though. Me Kevin. I no get blood though. Me, I no get any blood. I only get one sister. I only get one. I no get one sister. When be say when they pass through her, when they pass through her, my
No
sister
dey cry,
will
no dey cry.
if you
Happiness. The number where they
everybody go here dey enjoy this man. They say na person wey wear shoe no wear for the pay now.
Daniela, you dey hear me? Daniela, control yourself right now.
Brother, bros, I no go fit lie to you. And wetin be Abemona tell me now. Okay.
That wait. Now another number they call this girl. I've been at that same number. I want just confirm something. Now another number.
Epa, now make her tell
Make
you
she
say
come
that
and ask
girl.
her.
Epa, that girl may cause your fan.
None of you now get close to her house.
Me now let me be there close to her.
Like how many minutes?
If fast more. If I know say she go do the live video today, I for say okay, may she come my place or may I go where she dey. So if for them more easier.
Like how many hours? More, Luca.
Let's say 3 hours.
Ah, you know they close my sister.
Before and I just want stop from me to her place. So most times
Now
that's
you say they close.
because if to say you never late to go there not go be problem now. So
We'll come here. The way for you, may you enter train to 3 hours before we can continue. Essentially, we'll go offline, then we'll come back.
Pa, the thing I want tell you before, Epa, you see that her sister may insult your fans. She take this platform. She dey hear
not be
us.
say you just insult the fan. Now because of me she come here because she
Wait
now of
first,
us
now my
gather
sister.
grow.
We hear what you say. God go polish all of na me. They there. We hear and not be only you insult personally.
Yes.
You understand? She's supposed to come here, go apologize to your fans and you too.
No, I don't need an apology.
Jennifer, Epa, you dey hear me? Epa, you dey hear me?
Apology at all.
You dey hear me, Epa?
I hear you.
Greet the house. So you know, say we just dey here, we just dey look this issue like say naughty day. Some people they take her as fun. This girl don't go far. Oh. You understand?
It dey work every day.
Yes, because
my family they take her as fun, not be us.
No,
Because
if
we
I know
try.
they talk of your, I know they talk of you. Like some people when they comment section, then they laugh like say
You
nothing they
think they
happen to the
funny?
girl. This girl is so depressed. May God forbid. Now waiting the baby papa they find, being like husband they find, they should collect those children for the girl hand. So he no go lose anything because he don't already get another children. You understand? This girl don't go far. Person word not dey complete for a month. This is not the girl I know that kind 2023. She don't change. A lot don't change for a body. Don't like the way she talk. A girl that was humble, when they
Hello.
respect. Eh?
Wait.
She do read the man do reach do DNA test come out. Now you get children. You and your
Bros,
sister just concentrate on other
let's
people
know inside
for
of the
other
story.
man's land. My
Because this is
God.
not just a normal issue.
God forbid, sha,
We
no.
hear you. We hear you. For you.
You saw me know how we done.
You see everything when this girl tell you so,
Mm.
You see everything when this girl tell you so, Let her know say everything when she talk and what you want talk, we go swear put to it, okay. If she no agree, say we go swear put there. Because me, I don't want lie for her head. And I know everything when she don't talk about me, everything I lie, okay. You understand? We go swear.
Okay, we go swear now. Normally we go swear.
Mute your
That will
side.
not be
Wait, hold
problem.
on.
You see our family, they say they don't support her.
You see the back. You see am. This man
Daniela,
Anasis.
mute your side. Mute your
Anasis
side.
man.
Daniela, wait.
Bros. Explain. I beg, my Mona, wait. Happiness. Everybody
This
wanna mute.
man. Anasis.
Bros, don't you want to be watching for that side?
You wait, mute.
Don't want to be watching for that side. Don't want to be watching for that side. Bros, don't want to be watching for that side. Bros, Lord, you want to be watching for that side. Lord,
Yes, I don't know.
What makes you feel? See what you do.
Ogun boy.
May you mute now.
Mute.
They ask the man question. Yes, bros. I hear you.
Everything when she dey talk, so now lie she dey lie for my head.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I get evidence. I get 100 and something evidence about this woman lifestyle. You understand? I'm ready to expose her this night. You understand?
Okay.
Since now waiting she dey find, she want me the world know her kind of person when she be.
Yes.
Then I'm ready to expose her tonight. But if I dey expose her, anything when I talk here, you go dey ask whether na true. If you dey deny, you know, the first ask this woman say she ready to swear. Because I don't want maybe say tomorrow because say everything I can't lie for this woman head to oppress her, to do this one, to do that one.
My brother, I bet. Wait
she ready
first.
to swear,
See, everything you are saying, everything that you are saying tonight, you are just saying it to defend yourself. You never reach one will take the ask
Exactly.
this one or this one not. She don't explain some things since we not confirm her to and say, Madam, you sure say that truth? She just dey explain. So normally, as a presenter, when I still need to hear from you before I would just say, oh, this woman, now you hear person, or this man, now you hear person. That's why they do my thing. And for this my platform, no matter who you are, we know they look person face to the judge. If now this woman, where a lot of people they feel pity for, now he wrong you, my brother, we go join you bitter. If we come to and say, now you wrong her, we go still join her beat you. That's what will be. But if you they bring evidence or what you they talk, by the time we go need the evidence, then by then we go say, okay, after our bros, begin they bring the evidence, they come as we be. You understand? So just explain, continue. I hear you, Baba.
Okay, this woman, I met this woman from Germany. That was I think 2019 or so. That's when I met this woman in Germany. Okay. I met this woman in Merseburg. You understand? For my sister house party. Now for me this woman. And when she come, my sister house party, she carry one little baby follow body, you know. From there, we come meet, we come connect, you know. I collect her number, she collect my own. So she can't go house. When she can't go house, we can't talk from there. They talk. Then after like 1 week, because I think I spent like 2 weeks for Germany that period. You know. After like 1 week, she can't invite me come her house. You understand? And she invite me come her house. I can't come. Be media person. You understand?
Yes.
You do hear me?
I
I
hear
don't be
you.
media person. I can't say she did on group call, you know, on media like this. She did quarrel, they shout the way she ought to do so. She did shout. I can't tell her, say, what did they happen? You know? She say somebody ought to provoke her, yeah, this, that, and she ought to behave so, you know. Say somebody they provoke her. I'm gonna say, I person go ought to provoke you ought to like this, you know. What did they happen? Before I begin answer, I don't see one full vocal. One full vocal, you know, vocal for Germany now.
Yes.
Will be 45%.
Yes.
I see her for table when she don't drink. She don't drink that vocal reach half.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, she don't drink that vocal reach half. She don't the rant. I can't see you know. I can't relax. After she don't quarrel finish, don't do everything finish. You know, you know reach 5 minutes when this woman take rant finish. I call the beggar and say, I end the live video. She can't end her. As she end her, you know, really reach 5 minutes. So this woman ought to sleep. Leave me with be stranger with a little girl when be just a year old. Leave two of us. This woman just sleep as in she sleep naked. I dey tell you the gospel truth. You understand? She sleep naked. I begin wake this woman after 3 hours when she don't sleep. The pikin self they cry, which is Lillian. She they cry. Now me go make food for that little girl. You understand?
Yes.
I go make food for her. Then after like 5 hours, now this woman can't take wake. I can't say you know, as she wake up, I can't tell her, say, which kind of you don't know me, I just come here for the first time. You know, behave like this. You see, as you tell they do so, most of all these things when she they do so, I know her, I don't really know this woman, you know. She got the talk, say, she got the cry, say, man, now frustration, now this, now this, Jama they frustrate her, this, that. That's it, but you don't know me, I just come here for the first time. See the way you take art, you know.
Yes,
You just leave me and your little girl, you know. You know, I beg, remove my picture, I beg.
Okay. Continue.
You understand?
Okay, continue.
So now she got to explain to me, say, na Jama frustrate her, you don't frustrate, this, that. This not gonna tell us, okay. Now you don't, me and you don't date now. Right now, you need to live all this lifestyle when you live. You understand? I swear to God, you know, this woman promised me 100% she will stop everything. Say she just needs somebody when go day caring to her, this, that. I can tell her, say, I don't already day close to you now. You live all those things, she can't agree. So after like now the next week, now I can't come out because that time I Switzerland that day. I can't come out, I can't go back to where I did. As I did there, I can't come back to Italy again, you know. It's not reached 2 months. This woman just called me one day. You call me one day, say she want come Italy. You know?
Not be you in that time.
No, for the first time, not me invite her. She don't tell me, say, ask her, she buy ticket. Ask her whether me send her money, make she buy ticket.
Okay.
If man invite woman, come be somewhere. Say now the man go send the woman money to buy ticket.
Yes.
True or false?
True.
This woman not buy herself buy ticket. I swear to God, I not invite this woman come Italy one day. She just they do rush. And so this woman take buy ticket by herself. They rush come Italy. I swear to God, that this woman come Italy, I can't go pick her from Milan that day. And she reach Italy. As I pick her, she can't stay with me for Italy for I think 3 weeks or so. You know. So when she can't stay with me for 3 weeks, she can't go back to Germany. When she got to go back to Germany, then me can't come out for Italy. I can't go back to Swiss, you know. So now Swiss that day when she take call me say she don't miss her period though. You understand? Say she miss her period, you understand? I can't tell her say how because say she don't get belly or now I can say okay, since you get belly, no problem, leave the pikin. You understand? Because they no get bad attention for this woman. You understand? I can't tell her say leave the pikin, you know. And so this woman can't leave the pikin, no. We can't see they talk, they do things can't go well, you know. And along the line, I can't get problem for Swiss. As I get problem, you understand? My enemy can't do one side. The belly don't they grow. By that time, my elder sister did Germany that time. I call my elder sister say in case she need help, make she go my elder sister side. Make my elder sister see the assist help to her, you know. She can't go there. We can't do things. So when I can't come out from prison, she can't born. When she can't take born, you know, I mean, I just new come out, you know, I need to take little time, take freshen up myself, you know. Then I can't prepare myself, I can't go Germany, go meet her, you know. Going to that Germany, no, besides I just go empty hand, they no give. I get a lot of goodies for them, a lot, you know, everything, you understand? Then I even surprise her with that time. I get one phone in the rain that time. You want to come at N72, N70. I bought that phone 570 something euro. No be gold when I buy for her. No be shoes when I buy for her. Then I got everything to give her. You understand? So when I got to reach there, no give. You know. Then they don't tell me say like this, so sweaty people they do for Germany, not to Papa level. You understand? Not to Papa level, sweaty they do this, that. I got tell her okay, no problem. I still get interest for that level. All my own be say I want make she dey okay. You understand? Then she can't tell me say may the find person wey go do that level for them. You understand? I can't say no problem. If she see, make she call me. Are they interested? So I can't go back to Italy. After like 1 week, she can't call me. My sister can't go the time. My sister go airport. The person can't charge us 7,000 euro. I can't say okay, no problem. I can't tell her I'll come the next week. I can't go Germany. I can't carry 4,000 euro cash. Go Germany. You understand? You go to the level. So as I reach there now, she not there. You know, you supposed to let her there. Anything they talk, if not lie, make she they talk.
Explain your own side. Explain your own side.
If I may, you know what? Me there, I there.
Your own side of the story.
I go carry 4,000 euro reach there. It could be say, we can't run the matter. The thing no can work the way we follow up the matter. Because we go do DNA for the level, you know. So the thing no can work the way we follow. Now
better for you. Now me swear for you to do it.
Daniela, mute your side.
Emeka, I swear for you today. I swear for you.
So I'm not the line. I not reach like 3 months. This woman got it disturb. Inside this period, so okay, now they married this woman. I pay her dowry. My dad still there alive that time. I think 2020 now I married this woman. We do tradition.
Jesus Christ. Hey, wait.
You understand? We do everything. I married this woman the way that they marry woman. You understand? I paid in full, you know. So I'm not the line now. When I don't do everything finish, I can't go back to Italy. Then this woman, inside 3 months, they call me say, German people, they disturb them. They want to deport her, go Nigeria, this, that. And all this while, so when I go Germany, go they meet this woman. You know, this woman is most badly. Every time a problem. Every time. So what she gonna do? Because you know, say that thing they cause problem between me and her. Then she go supermarket. Then she go supermarket. She will go buy those small bottle of gin. She go stay supermarket, drink and finish. Then she drink and finish, she go call us. I go still notice, say she don't hide. Because I talk, then they clear again.
Yes.
So they misbehave.
Yeah.
So me and her go they get problem. Problem. You know, I can't tire. You understand? I can't tire for her. So I call. You hear me? Hello?
I hear you, my brother. I hear you.
So I can't tire for her for the kind of life when she live. You know, they are not gonna say when they talk say you marry a woman when they say the woman they live one kind of life, you change her. They don't let they work because now what happened to me, so you understand? Now what just 100% of what happened to me, it no work for me. Everything when I try. Then this woman now, you see, she they live that life of drinking and smoking. You understand? Then after 3 months, she can't call me one day, say, German people don't frustrate her again, they want to deport her, this, that, you need to come out for Germany. Now I can say, okay, no problem. Since you want to come out for Germany, you want to come Italy, no problem. But if you come Italy, because I don't know, say, she be that kind of person. You understand?
Yes.
Me and her not going to get problem all the time. I got to say, you go camp. You go back to camp. You understand? She got tell me say no, why she go back to camp? Say she no fit go back to camp. Why me go dey talk like why me no go fit take care of pikin? This, that, this not plan say okay. Since now that one you dey fine, you whether I no fit take care of pikin, to take care of pikin no be my problem, you know. But now your attitude I want make you start from somewhere so that you go stay strong. She say, Lala, never, you go ever go camp, this, that, me get house, when she go camp. I can't agree. I can't tell her, say, me come. She can't come. And she can't come now. We can't live normal, you know. They live normal. Me no get work. She no get work. 2 children already dey. But we dey live fine. We need the hungry. Everything dey okay. You understand? Then I can't deal with that. I can't move, go back to Swiss. You know, guys, I get Swiss, this woman, I got to send this woman every month. This is going to come out. And they send this woman 500 euro every month for feeding. Sometimes 700 euro every month for feeding.
How you tell they send out the money? How you tell they send out the money?
She own my postal pay card for Italy. You don't understand? So she own my postal pay card for Italy. Then I they put the money inside my postal pay. Then she could use the money for Italy there. Okay. So she didn't use the money. All right. Then sometimes if you say I don't put money for postal pay, sometimes I send her. That time she never get document though. I they send the money through Western Union for her. Okay. You understand? So I wanted to do this thing. Then later this woman come they complain say, you can't go they call my family people say, in don't tire. When we go every time me they travel, me need to visit one place. In don't tire, me need to come back or come stay with her. This, that. It be like me lazy, me need to feel work. This, that, me lazy. You know, I got to tell her, say, may you relax. I got the better, say, you relax. Ma, also this also. He said, no, say me need to come back, we can stay with them. I can say, okay, no problem. Since she the reason say me lazy, I'll come Italy. You know? I can't come Italy, no give, you know. As I come Italy, I can't find one work. I can't work the work 3 months. I can't rest for the work. I can't see the Italy, I can't see the found another work. Later, she can't get belly for my boy, you know. As she get belly for my boy, that pikin when she take get the belly, I no lie you know, it be not take my mind, you understand? But based on many matter when don't involve, my months don't involve, I can't rest. I no stress when I pass that period because the 2 children we did already with her, government they pay us €1 for Italy, now me be everything. So the load they too much for me, you understand? Then before she can't get that belly again, you know. At the end of the day, she can't born that pikin. I know what I see when she did born that pikin, you know. As she born that pikin, she can't tell me say the house one would day too small for us, so we need to go buy bigger house. You understand? I can't tell her, say, not be this one you supposed to they talk now. If you really want to help me, you need to help me by going to Komu. You understand? Make Komu people help us with us. That say you want me go spend another money again, extra money again, to go carry another house again. You know, this woman very lazy. This woman need to fit come out for us. You need to fit do anything. You know, now me they help her when she even get the belly self. As I'm actually there, now me they cook. Now me they that one a normal thing when man they do. I don't talk as say I just they do. I want to say 1 or 2 things. I just help her. But after she don't born, she can still leave all those things for me. Maybe they do. You understand? So, but I just still born. You know. So when she got a born, she got tell me say the house too small, this, that, this. So we need to go find big house. I got to ask me go Komu, make Komu help us. Mo get house. She no agree go. I can't go meet one woman. Say make the woman come they carry and they go Komu so that Komu go fit help us. He no agree go. She next thing when she talk, say they fear. Say if he go Komu, say Komu they feel they put eye for our children body.
One of the power tap, one of the gift. Ah, Jesus. And the year you continue.
You understand? Then say, you know go there. Say me the fear make Komu no carry the children. You understand? They no get. Now I can say okay. You know I can still go find another house again. I can pay 2,300 euro. You understand? As I pay the money when they want write contract, because me I never get work that time. But I can tell her say I never know whether I will get work or I no go get work. But if I no get work, I go travel, go back to where I dey. What you did there, they say you go put your name for this contract. In case of say you want to end around, since now your name take this contract, you go be do the things on your own. You understand? We can't agree like that. Now so she can't put her name for the contract. We can't go do like we can't do everything. I can't pay for the house. Now so we can't take back enter the house. You understand? God so kind that the week when we pack enter the house, I think the next 2 weeks now they get this Amazon work when I they work so courage today. You understand? Okay, now don't they work now? The children never start school. I got them as okay now. You need to go register these children for school. You know, Grigo, I wait on this woman for like 1 week. This woman no fit stand up for us, go register her own children for school. You know, I got to by myself now. They didn't make call. Come go call one guy for my city. Now the guy come follow me. Now me go register these 2 children for school. Whereas this woman they has. I go register them for school. The period when I register them for school, now me see they carry them go school. Now me they carry them go school. Now me they go work home. While she dey house, she didn't do anything. You understand? So I don't be like this woman don't do all this, very lazy. She need to do anything, you know. That drink no still stop. That drink not something we be saying now normal for her now. Now normal. Me and her they use and they get problem every day. Even this sister when you post here, she dey aware of what they talk so. This sister don't ever call her one day tell her say if you stop this drink when your husband they complain so. I go they pay you allowance every month. I wait till this sister tell her because I don't complain, I don't tire. You understand? The drink keep on repeating itself all the time. And what did they pay me for this drink when she dey drink? You know, and I say, if she drink, she know they know what to do next. You understand? One, she know they fit do anything for us. Secondly, she know they fit carry children go school. You understand? If I go work, if I want to go work in the morning, I'll wake up, tell her say, I don't dey go work. I beg today, try carry children go school. If I still come back from school, from work, I'll still find out say those children, you know, still carry them go school. And the worst part is say, go tell them they lie to me, tell me say she carry them go school. And the children come tell me say, last say, mommy no carry us go school. Mommy just tell us more lie for you. You understand? You know, all those things go come, they pay me for bad. All those things now I tell they quarrel with her. All the time I they quarrel her. I never touched this woman one day. As an she did it, I never beat her one day. I not be that kind of man when they beat woman. You understand? Instead, now she they toxic to me because anytime I get problem, you know, this woman they tear my shirt. If they tear my shirt, he go grip me for neck. He go tear my shirt. You understand? He go cut my gold when I wear for neck. You understand? And each time when we dey quarrel, if I want touch come on for her, she no go grill, she go lock door, she go block the door, he go say, awa. Once you don't talk that word, awa, that is everywhere, don't scatter to that. You understand? She no go grill my come out. I go do house there. Me and I go dey kwatara. So when they go cause this last one, so when they say I can't take best because all these problems so it don't take too much. The drinking, that be the highest problem when they say me I don't get, they get for us. Drinking and smoking. That be the problem, you know. And the family that they are aware, the relative that they are aware of what they talk so. Then when they go cause this last problem when I go take best come on for us, you know. One day they said drinking, I come back as she don't drink again. You understand? As she drink, I come back as I work that day, I come back as around the 11. As I enter house, I say she don't drink. She don't sleep. She just take one time I would not die. You know? As I enter house, I don't see the children, they never sleep. I can't see where their mama. They say their mama don't drink again because the senior one where they call it, they know a mama secret. Now I know where mama they pack cigar put. You understand the no game? Now the senior one where they call it, now I know where mama they pack cigar put. Now I know where mama they pack drink when she they drink put. Me, I don't know. My own have to go work, come back. They ask, you know. I don't know say mama all those canteen. She need to be she did load all those things put. So as I come out, she don't drink. I can't say the children never sleep. I can't try pet the children. I can't put them to sleep. Then I can't go there she dey sleep. I can't video her. Because the way she take it, okay. If you come there yourself and you go fear, you know, I can't video her. As I video her, the next day,
how you take video her?
Me? I just video her on top bread.
You know, open to Zuma.
No.
Because she said,
do all those things. I just video her on top bed.
She said you open her quick and zoom it. Say now when she come. Okay.
That one I lie, okay. You understand? I can't video her. All my men that say as I video her, the next morning, I will show her say, you see all those things when I talk, say how you be. You don't drink again yesterday, say how you be, you know. But the children, they know my password for my phone. They always carry my phone, papa phone, now you know all those kind of things. They carry my phone, they use my phone. So at the sleep, my children don't go carry my phone. They don't begin to operate the phone. And before then, this woman don't they This woman, if I open her phone, I don't see chat. When she dey chat with a lot of guys, so she don't dey chat with a lot of guys, She don't dey tell those guys say she be single mother of 3. And then make everything work out fine like this for her. And really, now waiting she can't be last. You understand? Me and her dey house, so she don't dey tell single guys say she be single mother of 3. And she don't dey do video down with one guy wey dey my city. One Senegal guy, the guy dey camp, one dirty useless guy wey dey camp. Whether na Cotonou the guy be or na Senegal, I don't know. Imagine say this woman dey under my roof. She do video recording. The boy dey bedroom dey bath. She do video recording with this boy. I see the recording for this woman phone. You know what I do? I said I give this sister when you put this thing so. A picture for your background.
That Mumu sister.
I said yes. I sent the video. Give that one. That one called the shot. Say why my sister will do like this? Last, I don't know whether they quarrel with her or they no quarrel with her. But all those things when she dey do, when I don't see for her for, they don't make me tired for her. I don't lie. Don't make me fed up for her. So when I got a video that day, when the children wanted to play with my phone, she can see the video. As you see the video, I saw this woman take paro, begin paro for me, for us, for the paro. I can't say the thing in pain now. I know lying, I can't beg her. I can't beg this woman. I can't beg her. I used almost 1 hour to beg this woman. This woman can't rest. And she can't rest. After 30 minutes, this woman can't tell me, say, she want to go buy water for supermarket. I can't say, okay. She can't go buy water. And this woman go buy water, come back from supermarket, now this woman start that same problem again when I don't pay her for. You understand? Start the same problem, begin me for house. See how go grill. I tell you, say get one word when she use once she don't talk that word, everywhere don't scatter. Go breathe this, that. I can't see the beggar. I don't see the beggar, I don't see the beggar say, don't do now. I don't make the mistake, he don't do, I beg, he don't do. Rest, I beg, he don't do. Now there, this woman no agree again, I don't know who this woman go call. I don't know that she go to the supermarket, she go drink again. I don't know whether she go call anybody. When tell her, say, why you go leave the man? You understand? Now bad friends give this woman, man, they tell you, bad friends. People will be say, this woman, they follow. Now people will be say, they be single mothers. They know some people tell their husband has, they never married them. Let's spread this woman. So when they did this condition. So and I hope maybe say as she did this condition, make they help her, make they help her to go like that, So now she can begin me again. This woman can begin me again, go reach around that time 9 PM, now I take bag and come out for us. I can't go run come out for us, I can't carry key, I can't run go stay outside, I can't stay outside, reach around 2 AM. I can't feel say if I sneak enter us, she would not sleep that time to avoid problem. As I come back outside around 2 AM, I dodge enter inside house. I no green go our room or the room where me I had. I no green go there. I can't touch go my children room. I can't go sleep with my children for their room. Now my children room I take. Now this woman take notice say person don't enter inside house. Now this woman take come inside that room again. Don't pay me for trouser.
Start to talk again. Say awa.
Let's still see that word again. Say awa. That's it today now today. You understand? That's it today now today. Now this woman take to drag me from bed. As she drag me from bed,
Jesus.
Now all the children, we don't sleep. Now the children we don't sleep,
all of them wake up immediately.
Now they wake up. Now this woman, now this woman hold me, begin to drag me up and down. Don't tear my shirt. Now it blow me for chest, It blow me again. The third one when they blow me, they are not fit better again. Now tell us today, when they say they need to beat woman for abroad, today me must beat you. That anything we want for me happen.
Make it happen.
Now take this woman. You understand? Now they take and now she take 4. The children now they call the cry. Me now I can't feel guilty again.
Yes.
As she can't take 4, I can't leave her. I not touch her. I don't leave her. Later when she can't take stand up, now she take rush. They go kitchen. Make she go carry knife. She said she must stab me to death today. She dey rush. They go kitchen. Make she go carry knife. Now I take block her. Make she no enter inside kitchen. She dey drag with me. Now I take push her come out. Now they enter the kitchen. Now they lock the door for the kitchen. Now they stay inside kitchen. The inside kitchen are there. I say the make call. Don't call this. All these friends when they are around us. When they advise are good. When make her take this condition, so begin call all of them one by one. They tell us say for waiting. They ginger her. Say for waiting. Call police for your husband. Call police for your main police carrier. I go beat you. I go do this one. But they don't know the result of why I hit her. They don't know. You understand? The ginger her. He even call one of my friends because I hear when she call one of my friends. Say one call police for me. That one call the beggar. Say no call police for your husband. Do now your husband do. No call police for her. At the end of the day, this woman neglect people when give her good advice. Follow those wrong carcass people when they ginger her. Now they call police for me. As he call police for me, 4 police people then come that day with 2 motor. You know, as they come, now they go open kitchen. Meet me for inside kitchen, you know. As they come, now this woman begin vibrate. Last, those police come see me carry my things. You understand? See that they carry me come out, you know. And so those police they carry me come out, you know. Before they carry me come out, your own daughter when they born for another man, don't call tell me say Papa, make me come see me and Mama they pack cigar put. For where police they now say I tell Opu Karelu, cigar when me see for Karelu when this woman don't pay smoke. I don't know how many months it takes smoke that cigar, but he reached 20-something packet of cigar. Then Vino when this woman don't drink, where he load her put, he pass 15 can of Vino. When this woman don't drink, you know, I can't be surprised. I can't say wow for this house, you know. And so I can't try and show the police people say now these things they cause problem. They cause say no, maybe no worry, maybe just carry my things. Say they want carry me come out. You know, now so they take carry me come out. They can go carry me reach station. They can complete me. I don't stay this country for 10 years. I never get police matter. You understand? 2 times that this woman don't make me go police. Yeah, this woman don't make me go. You know, they can't complete me.
I bet wait, bros. The African Queen, aka Ogbudian. Thank you so much for the lion. God bless you. This is what I want. At least you people support me. Because it's not easy to bring back-to-back different stories every day. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Yes, guys. Mama has just dropped a little lion. Say, who want to drop car for me? I'm going to check the car there. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Power tap. Let's continue with my live go. My live go is there, bros. Continue.
As I reach station, now police people, I swear to God, now police people even they tell me say, Sam, you look very calm and quiet, you know. I've seen everything that is going on, but if you want to take these children, this is what you do. I swear to God, now what the police people tell me, they already observe the setting, how everything be, you know, because they advise me like that, but I don't keep calm. The next morning, I no eat, I no bath. Now police people now, they go drop me for work that early morning because I dey start work that day around 6 o'clock. They got to go drop me around that 5:30. I got to wait till they open work. Then I go enter work. I no eat, I no do anything. Then after I don't close for work, I come house. I can't reason my life with this woman. I want be. Now I don't call her. I don't tell her say, you know what it go happen. As you be like this, so I'll give you chance. I will give you chance, you know. I will go rent house outside. I'll give you chance. You know, you're on my mind now. See, like the problem don't take much for us. We just give ourselves some breathing space, you know, so that everybody will recall, everybody will rethink where for the make mistake. Anyone will be say you do mistake for you go try correct.
My brother, not there. So before I forget, what you say police tell you?
Police by themselves tell me say they don't already see and say me are they very calm and quiet. Yeah. Say they don't already know everything when they happen for the house. Yeah. Say if me want collect the children from her, see what I go do. I swear to God, that's what police tell me.
Okay.
You understand? Because they don't already see everything when it happen for that house that day. Her attitude, the way she behave when police come, everything. They don't already know the violent person and the person who not the violent. You understand? That's what they tell me. After set and do, I got to ask, okay, as it be like this, I'll give you a chance. I go stay on my own for some time. May you still stay beside, you know. You understand? Then I not tell her say I not gonna give her money to take care of her, to do anything. I not tell her say I'll stop to give you money. You know, I already plan. I wanted to give her money, everything. Even that very day before I come off from house that day, said I leave card for her 180 euro. That day inside the card, you know. So when I want to come, I got to say that month I will send her money that month, you know. That's how I got to come out. I can't go rent house for outside. It got reach like inside when I take go rent house, you know, I still the come house, so I can't carry the two girls. So one at my own for inside, one at the one she born for a previous relationship. And the one she born for a previous relationship, they don't get from 1 year. And I train that girl reach 6 years plus. Any man when they marry single mother, say you feel say you will be take care of the pikin. You don't waste time because the pikin that you want to go see carry go meet your papa. That be what happen to me soon. At the end of the day, that girl, so if she did, now me register her for school. The first school bag when I buy for that girl was 80-something euro. The books when I buy for her na 60 euro. Papa no bring 1 naira. The marker, pen, everything. I know how much I spend to put that girl for school. Now me they pay mensa for that girl. Now me they pay school bus for that girl. You understand? And they do all these things. If Papa no put 1 naira.
God go bless you for that one.
You understand? At the end of the day, look, I don't look say me and this woman they quarrel. Man put up for where the children do. I still they carry these children. They can't stay with me for where I rent. They go stay with me 3 days, sometimes 4 days. I go make their hair. They go look good. I'll carry them go back to their mama. Sometimes I'll carry them go buy cloth for them. I'll still carry the cloth when I buy for them. Carry them go meet their mama. You understand? That's how I wanted to do. I can't send this woman money that month, so they pay me better salary. I can't send this woman 400 euro that month. You understand? So as I send this woman 400 euro, 2 weeks later, then this woman can come and say, the children know Ike na nowhere, which is the last month. Say the Ike na nowhere. I don't say they work now. You understand? Say if I close, I'll come meet down for us, you know. So when I can't take close for work, I'm not gonna go that day. The next day now I can't take go in okay. You understand? It gets okay to one, I don't want to talk here. You understand? It's okay. That one could be personal talk when me and you go talk. Because about 5,000 something they watch us here. Yes. You understand? What did this woman do? All this is fresh, so no. All this is fresh where they support her. I just they laugh. You know why they laugh? He don't enter their group now. Life will teach her more. She go learn from this life. She go understand life. See, there's difference between when you date with husband and when you be single mother. You understand? She go all this is friends when she dey follow when be single mother. They not agree tell her the truth. What their eye they see for outside though.
Oga, not be single mother. Point of correction, eh?
One say not be single mother.
I talk to anybody there. I just tell her all this is friends. I don't mention name. All this is friends. If you say you there among the friends where you say your body they pay you, you know say now you are the talk to. Now so it be, you know. So okay, it gets some kind of things where we say I will call you on your own. I will send you some videos now. One of the video I want to send you now. That the mood when she the day she don't drink.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Then the second video when I go send for you, she say I join my baby mama Peter. Say I hold her. Then you go watch. Then be the second video. Then the third video now the one when her own daughter when she born for another man. What she tell me what her mama they do. You understand? Then that one on one side. That one are your own personal something that I'll send for you. You know. Then I continue. All this while you know, she still dey drink. Even as I don't come out for the house, she still dey drink. They leave all those bad guys. She
still dey wound beer.
Yes, not be beer she dey drink. You know, get that beer go good.
Gin.
She dey drink vino. She dey drink too much vino, too much gin, and cigar, and the dough. You understand? So all these things I need to do them. I don't know where woman will be say man with the plan feature. You dey live all those kind of life and you believe say you and that man go be plan future together. It's not that possible because I dey lead you to go. I dey lead you to go future. You dey lead me to go. You dey try to trim me down. You understand? It no fit work. That one on one side. Inside all this time, so it's okay. I dey take care of them. I see they carry the children. I see they buy things. I dey do shopping for them steady. I dey give her money. This December, so I give her 250 euro. Last November, I give her 300 euro. December, I give her 250 euro. You know why? She sees my phone when I take the work. She sees my phone when I take the work. I don't go work for 1 week. So that 1 week when I don't go, they don't pay me good salary for December. Now they give her 250 euro. You know, could you imagine say this woman can't fight me for inside open market too. This woman tear me better slap for inside open market too. You understand? That one apart, you know. Then you know why I can't verse. The one way can't verse me now when be say I can't tell her say, okay, with me or without me, the children will survive. Therefore, come make the decision. And this January I make that decision. I carry these children, I take care of them. And they plate their head. Nothing when she they do. Hey, she knows how to plate. She know they go supermarket. All this one when they are there. And okay, now me they go supermarket. Now me they go Tori no go buy meat. Now me they do everything because if you give her money, if you give this woman money, she go carry the one when she want to buy drink and cigar for inside. You understand? So now make me I need to give her money. Money when I give her, maybe she tell me say she need money when she want to buy something clothes or 1 or 2 things. I'll give her that one. You understand? But say give her money she go do shopping. That shopping no go complete. The woman no go, you no go buy the things complete. She go collect the one when she want to buy drink and cigar. And me I need to drink that. So I want to work like that. You understand? So so no. Why I can't first? This woman go call somebody when me I have a friend. One lady when me I have a friend. Come go tell the lady say, say me na dog. Now that one got the answer. I say I me take the dog. He say if me can carry those 2 girls now, one on my own, one on her own. Say if me can carry them. Say if me return them back to her, say she dey naked then to check them whether I penetrate the girls then.
Come on.
So you know, for that reason, yes, for that reason, and she said she don't promise me say she will put me for jail. She don't promise me say she will put me for jail. So I don't know this woman plan. I don't know the bad friends when she they follow when they give her that kind of advice. Or now she decide now I can't say okay, since she be like this, I don't need you, I don't need the children. Carry them go anywhere you want, carry them go. Except say these children don't grow to the talk. They don't grow, maybe they don't take 8 years or 9 years to the talk. Now I feel say okay, yes, I feel they do as a papa to them. But I say there's this small way say you feel manipulate those children to lie for my head, it don't go work anymore. That be my decision this year. Now make her call social media. This frustration when people they talk say she frustrated, she not frustrated. Now call they disgrace her like that. You say this is sister, so don't say me are there. They don't post their picture. Don't say
no. Hold on, my brother. Before you continue, that girl disrespect me, bros. I call her, I tell her say why they could disturb his sister. If they insult people with the here, that is disrespectful. I hear you.
Wait, I beg no verse. You know why those sisters, not beside they talk in their favor, but Daniela, this their sister, so now black sheep to the family. She no get regard. She no get regard for anybody, even my own family. She no get regard. She no get regard for our own people too. How can your family tell you say, don't do this, do it like this? You no go listen to them. Why you go listen to your dead friends? Your dead friends, you prefer to listen to outsider than your own people. It doesn't make sense, okay? You're a family man. Your family advise you say more than 2 things like that. You go extra man against your own family. Go do your own. Doesn't make sense. That make that sister the best for her. Because she don't carry this man that come out for social media.
She the verse
on Saturday.
The verse for her. She get right. She get right, but not to come they insult people for my platform. It's not right.
No. Why she they insult? Why she they insult there? Okay. Why she they not because she why she they insult there? She know say that they mislead her sister. She know say now that put this girl so for this condition when she did. And they tell you now bad friends. That put Daniela for condition when she did today.
Okay, bros. To cut the story short, you don't already explain in details with waiting on 1 year. Send me your own video too. 3 videos you want to send me.
Okay.
Send that for me. Thank you so much.
Videos about but when I say you only 3 first because when I keep all those videos in case of city
Yes. Send that for
Because of
me.
equity.
Send that for me.
When you see them.
Send that for me.
You go see woman, matured woman where be say, man, marry, pay for head. Paper, you know how many chiefs go pay this woman head? My late dad na chief. You know how many chiefs come from east? You know how much I take chata moto from east when they go pay marry this girl? When this girl they listen to people when be say never dey husband house, people when be single mothers. Now she don't go join their campus, you go see how life be last last.
Calm down, relax first, yeah? Relax, yeah? Calm down. Some single mothers, they will know their safe. Not be all single mothers. Not be don't know their safe.
With our friends when we know, with our friends when we know, with our friends when we know, no one they normal.
Okay.
All the friends when we know with the single mother when she dey follow, no one they normal, I swear to God.
Oga, maybe you not know me. As for me, me not be single mother. Maybe you not know me, bro. I not be single mother, Oga. I beg.
Okay, bro. You don't explain in detail. Just send me those videos, yeah? Thank you. I appreciate.
I want send them for you too.
All right.
Don't bring her, come. No see, don't bring out this video. Don't show anybody this video. That fight when you say I'm for Peter, the fight now one, and the condition when she did she don't drink. The condition when she did when she don't drink, and the voice record when her daughter talk about what mama they do. You watch her, keep her to yourself. A lot of videos there, a lot of many things there when I hold against this girl. But now when time will reach, if she decide for me to publish her, they will publish her. You understand? Now say it be.
All right. Who should they fight for here?
Now the fight when she fight, now woman beat her. When she say now me beat her. Now woman beat her.
Okay.
You understand? Now woman beat her. Now this fight, so now she bring all those pictures, come and say, now me hold her, me and my baby mama beat her. Two beat her there. That day there too. You know video with they edit. You know how video can start. Look whether I involved for that video.
You know what? No problem. I hear what you talk. I don't see the videos. Let me continue with my program because today I don't see as not be only this live stream not be only today we'll talk out. We go reach 2 days before we finish now. Thank you so much. No. You not go come. Wait, my brother. Wait. You don't already explain. Wait, my brother. You don't already explain your own side. She never to explain just now before I start on the disturbance with cause. If she don't explain her own now, then we call the ask una one by one evidence of proof. Madam, so and so time. Why you do so and so thing? Oga so and so time. You say you send money give her when you did Swiss for your post pay. You get evidence. I go dey ask you all those things. I go dey ask am about evidence. That's what it be. But for today, I'm satisfied with what I've seen so far. Thank you so much. No problem. Thank you.
No, I just want to clarify something here. I beg, I'm not gonna comment again.
You tell me. Wait, hold on, bros. Wait first. You tell me say.
I'm very popular.
I know, Baba. You're not popular. Reach me. Wait, calm down. I want more do this thing so that we will know who wrong and who right. You ask me something and say make sure they confirm the evidence. She herself never explain her whole finish show just now. But before her sister called the disturber would call. As you don't explain your own now, everybody don't hear your own. We need to ask you for evidence of what you use your mouth talk now. I be my people where they watch. We need to ask you with evidence because all the things where you talk just now, by the time we call they ask you for evidence, you not come fit tell us. Meaning say na lie. That's what I say before the woman. If the woman they lie for your head, we call ask her, madam, where this your husband they do this thing, you not fit talk. Meaning you lied on your husband's head. That's what they do our thing for you. That's why I say by the time I need you again, probably it go before evidence. But you don't already explain the details.
This woman too lie. This woman they lie. That.
No. No, if the woman they lie, we go know. You understand? But with what you have just said so far, I understand. I don't take for this job. Next month will make me 10 years on live screen. So I'm not be ready for this issue at all. I have appreciated you for at least explaining your own side of the story. If we don't hear from the woman, then we'll call the pick because I don't write all the points for my head. I mean, I'm like a person where God bless. I don't forget anything for my life. So relax your mind, make you calm down. Thank you so much, my brother. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. All right, before anybody will talk, I want to contribute. Don't say the woman not fit talk well. Madam, that one ain't good for you. If I bring you up again, I hope say you will fit talk well. And you will be that sister just now. I'm not going to I want to tell you again. Because you know, see me, if I invest for person, I go just pour her mouth once. No, I don't forgive you. You will be that sister. But this issue is a very sensitive issue. Because you see all these things, so this guy talk. I believe some, I not believe some. I go patiently wait, make the woman come explain her whole side of the story well. Because this drinkiness, where this baby papa complain say they drink well. If this woman was a drunkard, you not go date her. Not going to say you want to put money for her head. No, I know vessel. I know say me. Get the way me take deal. That's why a speaker of truth has no friend. You see this year with me, you're at so. Even if you be mad, the same papa, the same mama, your matter enter my table, I go talk her. Because my part in which I follow this year, not be paddy, bestie, uncle, brother. If this woman was a drunkard from the beginning, if I don't take them serious. But in another terms, this woman also talk about, say, the first thing when I do drinking something, you drink vodka, I go drink vodka. So there is an element of say she did drink from that aspect. And with the video you have also sent for me, where you instruct me make her not post, another evidence today again say she did drink. I feel tell you say, I will believe that part. But I will pause for there. And the woman will make us come believe, say, yes, she did drink or all those things which she did do, see where she can do them. You see this life of a thing is that a good male woman is smart for life. If you are a woman, you are under my voice. You be odoyo. You will forever remain odoyo for life. You see, the moment a woman starts thinking that they'll call me single mother, from that moment you don't useless your life already. I have seen single mothers, responsible one, we be say they're not Deus Mas, they're not the bear that name Mrs. They bam for Germany here. I get 4 responsible single mothers when we say the third to become single mother go they hungry you. Like if you say you know Mrs. You just one way they near arguing for you. Sometimes you go say pa leave all those ones. If they say they be Mrs. May they bring their certificate of what they achieve every year. I go bring the certificate of a single mother. Come too. Mrs. is just a title. Now that girl make me confirm and say, Mrs. is a title. Single mother is a title. When that girl can't make me understand some certain things, now that girl can't make me stop. Let me just be sincere to you people today. Now that girl can't educate me more on the reason why don't they attack single mothers again. If that girl advises you as a married man, if you break up with your husband the next day, don't let those kind of people advise you as a married woman, you don't break up with your husband. Because everything that they look for Deutschland, they with that woman. She get driving license, she get documents, they work. Her children, they go the best schools. Her children, they do the best sports. Like, what is she going to look for life again? She said she did knock, but she not take any of this serious. She not even won't be that Mrs. again for life. Is that no better than bearing Mrs.? You go die for Mrs. And they ask, you stand as a single mother with your full chest and be a responsible mother. Is it not better you bear Mrs., you go buy for Mrs.? You know, this issue now will just happen between these couples. Now we just newly treat finished the other day. I don't feel born from one man. it go dey difficult for me to raise the second baby papa. Now they kill a lot of women. I go your die here. Die there. But remember, if you die, there is no award whether they give person will be Mrs. Now the one way be Mrs. and the one way be single mother. Now the same 6 feet with the one put Mrs. Now they're not they get award whether they give anybody. There are people that are not destined to be a Mrs. And there are people who are destined to be Mrs. When nature bring you to these two places and you find yourself in one particular place, do not feel less of yourself. Because I really met with a single mother who educated me to a very high libido that confirmed to me that she's happy being a single mother. If that kind of woman, they do present her, I swear, I call it one day. I say, thank God, say, you know, they do this our work. Because a lot of married women for leave their house, man. You forfeit cut, you forfeit scatter marriage. Because she go they tell you, she go they put evidence. Don't not be single mother when it be say that you see them for Africa, so they drag their children, they go, come, Larima. She gets everything we woman they get for life. But because of what she don't pass through for her husband's house, she now vowed not to be Mrs. to anybody. Nature can find you anywhere. All these things why they come my platform every evening, different stories. You as a woman, more they use until they wise, more they use until they get sense. Madam, happiness is free. I will pause it here for today because of time. Now you will be the first person to explain tomorrow. I will put out the time there. We'll continue, because if we say we'll continue with this topic today too, no cotton. So we go pause this issue for now and we'll come back again tomorrow. Because it's almost 12 o'clock here. By tomorrow morning, I will give you that time. Meanwhile, if you are coming here tomorrow, be composed. All our friends, when I will talk to our friend. You see the way your baby papa take compose just now talk. That's why you take compose tomorrow talk. Your composure today was poor. Because you go explain one particular part, you dey talk on 2 times. Olu, olu. No matter your pain, do not let your opponent know that you are pained. If you let your opponent know that you are pained, they will use that pain to mock you. You see what your people take us now? You say whether we hear what your sister talk. That is a very big evidence to your own. Now, your baby papa is now using your sister against you by saying, if your own sister fit come here, come talk against you, then I go up her, but now tomorrow we will continue. But let me just up her.
Okay, Pa. Good evening, no, Pa.
Good evening.
Madam Marewe.
Yes, sir.
You see that when be say this man can they talk, when just they talk all those things, when be say I never understand. You see now, me na person when be say I know they just they talk different type of thing. You understand? So in a very, because if they share everything about wetin you happen, but me I not be that kind of person. You understand? So I share what I share. I want make the man they pay his children, make the man take care of his children. Now what I need from the man, oh brother, this my sister they up now. This my sister will dey up now. Only one painkiller. Now my sister,
Happiness.
we come from the same village.
Happiness.
Brother, you know.
Calm down and take it deeply.
And why? Never in this life. So no, brother. Now me just they tell you so. Never. It no go ever happen. I swear to my heavenly Father, it no go happen. This man must take care of his children because you know why? Why they talk say this man go take care of his children because
Wait.
I dey hear you.
Happiness, wait, calm down. We go continue from here tomorrow.